This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro. To begin, power on your device by pressing and holding the top left button for a few seconds. You'll navigate through menus using the 5 distinct buttons located around the watch face. The top right button, for instance, starts and stops activities. Take a moment to personalize your watch face, choosing from many preloaded options, and arrange your data fields to see exactly what matters most to you during your day and workouts. The Fenix 7 Pro offers comprehensive health monitoring. It continuously tracks your heart rate, providing insights into your cardiovascular health, and delivers detailed sleep scores each morning. The integrated pulse ox sensor can measure your blood oxygen saturation, giving you crucial data for acclimatization. Furthermore, the body battery feature helps you understand your energy reserves, while stress tracking provides valuable feedback on your body's response to daily demands, helping you manage your well-being effectively. For the active individual, the Fenix 7 Pro is an indispensable tool. It comes with over 60 preloaded sports apps, covering nearly every activity imaginable. Its advanced multi-band GNSS technology ensures exceptional GPS accuracy, even in dense urban areas or deep canyons. You can confidently explore new terrains using the preloaded Topo active maps, and the Up Ahead feature provides timely alerts for upcoming points of interest, like aid stations or turns, keeping you on track and informed during your adventures. Experience impressive endurance with the Fenix 7 Pro's battery life, lasting up to 28 days in smartwatch mode or 74 hours with GPS enabled. Stay connected by receiving smart notifications, calendar reminders, and even make contactless payments using Garmin Pay, all from your wrist. For your workouts, you can download music from popular streaming services directly to the watch, allowing you to leave your phone behind and enjoy your favorite tunes on the go, enhancing your freedom and convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.